Sprint 1 by Kevin Hoffmeister. As a gamer, I want to move the player using WASD so that I can dodge enemies and move around the map. Acceptance criteria. The player moves to the right with the D key press. The player moves to the left with the A key press. The player moves upwards with the W key press. The player moves downwards with the S key press. For each 4 keys, the player moves continuously as the key is kept down. As a gamer, I want to see that the player changes images so that I can see which direction I am aiming. Acceptance criteria. The player's image faces left when shooting or walking left. The player's image faces right when shooting or walking right. The player's image faces upward when shooting or walking up. The player's image faces downward when shooting or walking down. As a gamer, I want to move the player so that I can progress to the next map. Acceptance criteria. The map image changes to the one above the player when the player hits the upper limit. The map image changes to the one below the player when the player hits the lower limit. The map image changes to the one right of the player when the player hits the right limit. The map image changes to the one left of the player when the player hits the left limit. As a wall, I want to prevent the player from going outside the play area so that the gamer is not lost. Acceptance criteria. The wall prevents movement when the right side of the player collides with the wall's left side. The wall prevents movement when the left side of the player collides with the wall's right side. The wall prevents movement when the top side of the player collides with the wall's bottom side. The wall prevents movement when the bottom side of the player collides with the wall's top side. When there is a collision, a bump animation is simulated and the player is moved in the opposite direction. As a wall, I want to have a definite position so that I correspond to the same map tile. Acceptance criteria. The walls automatically appear on the map depending on the map the player is currently on. Previous walls are deleted and are replaced with new walls automatically.